My name is Andy Ritan. I am the owner and broker of Ritan Property Group, a residential property management company in Atlanta, Georgia. I've been managing properties for about 20 years and have 250 or so single-family homes under management at the moment. I've decided to launch this do-it-yourself landlording page as a service to small landlords who want to go it alone in managing their rental properties. I have assembled a library of forms for small independent landlords that you can download from our website, www.houseatlanta.com, at the DIY landlording page. These forms are in two categories. First, there are a number of forms that I downloaded from the internet. These are the best of the publicly available forms that I could find. These include a residential lease, a residential rental application, move-in inspection form, pet addendum, and the like. I can't speak to these, I didn't write them, but again, they were the best resources that I could find, and I think they'll be helpful to you. The second category of forms are forms from my own company, forms that I have developed over the years for my own use. These include demand letters, notice of violation letters, notice to vacate forms that I make available to my tenants. These have been approved by attorneys or reviewed by attorneys numerous times over the years, and we've been using them in court for many years in Georgia Landlord Tenant Court. So they have been battle tested, they're proven, they're effective. I've removed reference from my company and make these available in Microsoft Word format so you can edit them and use them as you like. In addition to my library of forms, you'll find a series of video blogs about many aspects of landlording, especially general lease-up and management of tenants, with a special focus on evictions. I hope you find my resource library helpful. If you have a special need that I don't address in a form or video, please let me know, and I'll see if I can come up with something for you. I'm not an attorney, and I do not provide legal advice. The materials available at this website are for informational purposes only. You should contact your attorney to obtain specific legal advice if you have problems or issues that you need help with. Good luck out there. If you should decide to seek out a professional property management company, I hope you will remember me and my company.